Camp Kesem is literally indescribable. Like, I don't even know words to pin what Camp Kesem really means. Kesem actually means magic, and that's what I tell people right away because it can mean so many different things to other people. Camp Kesem to me is a place where I can go with my campers and they can open up and tell stories that they might not be able to share at home and they don't get to feel with their friends at school. But here at camp, people get it and they understand their stories, and it's okay to open up and just love and have fun and just be a kid all week.
Camp Kesem is a camp for kids who have parents or loved ones affected by cancer. And it's free to those kids, and we try to reach kids in the Fresno area, but we even have some kids from up north or from the South Valley.
We all have camp names at camp, and even when we're at school, we all go by our camp names. So if you hear someone saying, "Hey Coco" or "Hey Googie" across campus, it's probably because they're part of Camp Kesem. And we use these names throughout our daily life because it brings us back to this time that we have here at camp.
An escape, a place where a kid can be a child again, a place where they can connect with other people who go through the same thing that they do. Because cancer is something that's really hard for people to deal with. And it's really difficult for those people who are also affected by it on the outside. And so having a camp like this where kids can be kids and they can have fun, but also have a safe space where they can talk about what they need to talk about with people that know what they're going through. It's really, really important for kids to be able to express themselves in a safe place.
Camp Kesem is entirely student-run, so during the year we're doing all of the work that needs to be done. That includes planning the camp schedule, what games are we doing, when are we doing them, what supplies do we need for them, finding our campers, keeping those families engaged throughout the year, finding and training our counselors, and most importantly, doing all of the fundraising. Fundraising is one of our biggest pushes, and it's something that we work really hard on because we want to make sure that these families don't have another financial burden added onto them. They already have a lot happening in their lives, and we want this to be a place that's fun and welcoming to everyone.
So Fresno State has taught me so much about how to prepare to truly be an adult. I have the knowledge to go out in the workforce and really be able to execute with my profession and really touch kids' lives in that way. However, Camp Kesem has given me the more life, real aspect experience where it's not a textbook, these are real kids. These are kids that don't have definitions written by them. I don't know what's coming. I can't read ahead. You just have to sit back, kind of take it, whatever they say. I take the knowledge that professors and other inspirational people at Fresno State have poured into me, and I try to pour that out into my kids. So both of them really do work hand in hand, and I'm thankful that because of Fresno State, that's truly what gave me Camp Kesem.